Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the flashing frame effect on the CapCut PC. So here you need to just prepare the clips that you want to add the effect, and then go to the video effects, click on the video, and click on the nightclub section. And in here, you just need to find the flashing frame effect. So just scroll down until you find the effect. Okay, so here is the flashing frame effect. First, download it, click on the arrow down. And after that, you just need to click on the plus icon to add it or apply it to your clips. Okay, here I've already applied, and you can adjust the filters and also the speed in here. And let's see the result first. So this is how the video look like with the flashing frame. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave comment and click on it. Thanks. Bye.